Welcome to Eezytutorials. Animals give birth to their young ones. Their offsprings look like the miniature of their parents. Let us see animals' name with their young one's name. Do you know the young one name of kangaroo, rabbit, horse, zebra, donkey and deer? Let's see. We have a special friend Tanigai Vendan and Mrs. Purnima to present us.
The young one of a dog.
Puppy.
The young one of a cat.
Kitten.
The young one of a cow.
Calf.
The young one of a goat.
Kid.
The young one of a sheep.
Lamb.
Baby name for pig.
Piglet.
The young one of a donkey.
Goat.
The offspring of horse.
Fool.
The young one of a camel.
Calf.
The young one of a rabbit.
Bunny.
The young one of a buffalo.
Cow.
The young one of a lion.
Cub.
The young one of a tiger.
Cub.
The young one of an elephant.
Calf.
The offspring of zebra.
Foal.
The young one of a kangaroo.
Joy.
The young one of a leopard.
Cub.
The baby name for monkey.
Infant.
The baby name for bear.
Cub.
The offspring of a deer.
Fawn.
The young one of a cheetah.
Cub.
The young one of a rat.
Pup.
The young one of a frog.
Tadpole.
The young one of a fish.
Fingerling.
The young one of a butterfly.
Caterpillar.
The young one of a hen.
Chick.
The young one of an owl.
Owlet.
The baby name for sparrow.
Chick.
The baby name for eagle.
Eaglet.
The young one of a duck.
Duckling.
Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you wish to know the names of wild animals and domestic animals in English and Tamil, stay tuned to Eezytutorials. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye.